Quick poll. Would you buy a candle you've never smelled? Welcome to the series where we decode Etsy Seller Handbook, and today we are going to go through the 3 articles that cover videos. The video is long, so take your time, watch it in pieces or watch it at 2x. I won't get offended. So let's get started. Today we are going to cover 3 articles from Etsy Seller Handbook. The first article is the top 3 listing videos that buyers expect, and the second one is how to create high quality videos using your smartphone, and the third one is how to upload listing videos. So hopefully by the end of this video you will have exactly what you need to create high quality videos, and you will stop ignoring your video missing alert on your Listadum dashboard. So let's get started. So the first really important question is why video matters. So Etsy has repeatedly said that how listings with video have higher conversion rate than other listings. They also mentioned that product videos can inspire, clarify, and contextualize your world in the two-dimensional world of online shopping. Videos turn your flat online listings into something that users can almost feel like they can touch and feel. Etsy ran a study back in 2018. Wow, this feature has been there for a while. So Etsy ran a study in 2018 and found out that clips can make shoppers trust you more because they show things that photos just can't. Like shine, size, how that zipper really works. All these questions are answered by a small 15-second video. The best part, your phone is already good enough to film it. So what should you shoot? Stick with me. I've got easy ideas from real Etsy shops and tips to get you started the right way. So yeah. Why is video important? Video actually answers a lot of questions that photos cannot, like how shiny an object is, what size is the object, how actually it fits in your hand, how to use a product. And the key to good conversions of your listing is to get quality buyers that convert. And when the buyers land on your listing, they are answering very specific questions that are solving their need. And your video, just by giving preview in the search result, answer those questions. So how it helps you? It gives you a very simple, here's a very simple rule actually. If they get a preview in the search page and they are interested, they're more likely to click and make the purchase instead of people who come to your listing because your thumbnail was pretty. They browse through stuff and they're like, oh, maybe it's not for me. And then Etsy kind of figures out hey, these people are coming to your listing but not really converting, and that overall affects your quality score. So the video, just a 15-second preview, helps you a lot in getting more qualified traffic to your shop. Video is also a great place to actually answer all the questions, add that emotional aspect that you're trying to convey through your listings. And yes, 15 seconds is not enough, but a lot can be done in that 15 seconds. It's better than nothing. So let's talk about what are the 3 types of listing that buyers love. The first one is something that answers their questions, like a 360-degree spin, every color possible, what is the size, how to use this product. So videos that address common questions. Okay, so next time when you enter a shop to buy something, just think about it this way, what are the specific things you're looking for? Say for example, you're looking for a bag and you want to see how big the bag is, how it opens, how many zippers it has, and all these tiny details, which is really hard to capture on an online listing. And a lot of sellers kind of depend that, hey, I'm gonna add it to the descriptions and it's gonna be great because it's written over there. But people are lazy buyers. They have 5 seconds to skim your listing and they make a decision am I interested in or not? So a 15-second clips takes you a long way. So answering all your questions that a buyer is expecting from this listing helps them get to that decision faster. So any experienced online shopper knows how difficult can it be to actually make these buyers or make these shoppers read the product descriptions. There are countless times people have reported how something was written in the description, but the buyer didn't read, so he's unhappy and leaves you a 1 star because of their own fault. So to avoid these kind of mistakes, it's best to put as much information as you want in your listing. Utilize all the 10 images, but also put these things in your video. But we are going to go over how to create them, so don't get overwhelmed just yet. So take advantage of the videos, show your product in every angle, put it on a lazy Susan, rotate it, show a 360-degree, put an object around it to show a size, show the material, maybe show the care instructions, and answer actually all the questions that people often ask you in your messages, because that's actually a very good way to start, like answering everything your potential customers need. For example, for vintage items, like showing the wear and tear, or how old an item is, what is the condition of the product. So small things add up to actually building that trust for your buyer and ultimately leaving a happy customer when they receive your product. For jewelry, like show them the finish, show them how long it is on your neck, how it looks like on a person. There's countless times that like shoppers often don't read your titles or your descriptions or anything, so don't rely on that. Put as much information as possible in bold, bright letters in your listings. The second type of videos is showing your videos in use. What does this mean? Well, very simple, like, hey, I have a pouch that I sell. Let me show you what all you can fit in that. Like, how many pens does it have? What is the length and size of it? How does it look when I carry it? I have earrings that I want to sell, and how would you actually put it on, and how long it is, how it looks on your person, on your skin tone. So showing videos of like your product in use helps them visualize better how it's going to look on them. It can clarify your product's function and details. If you sell wearable items like jewelry, accessories, shoes, filming it on a model really helps. It also helps like kind of answer that preemptive questions that a buyer might have. Filming your items on a model convey the scale and the movement of things. It's also an opportunity to style your piece with other things you have in your shop. So upsell. Style the piece with complementary items in your shop. So a good opportunity to upsell other things. Like shop the look. It encourages multi-item orders. Use video to highlight your product's multi-dimensional components that might not convey very well in a static image. The third detail, which is kind of I feel like very important in my opinion, is to highlight the creative details. So Etsy is a marketplace for handmade sellers, and anything that shows people that you actually build it from your own hands, like makes them have a better connection with the seller and makes them feel special about what they're going to buy. They have more respect and appreciation for the creative process, and they're willing to pay the price because they trust what they're buying. These videos can be like time-lapse videos of you creating something, or just a process video of you painting, aesthetic. Keep in mind when you're creating that the world is actually like really into social media contents where these type of videos are very trending. So they love watching like these ASMR videos of you creating things by your hand. Like your listing images is a great place to put that. Also your about me section is a very good place to put that. I've often seen like once I see the video, I actually go to the about me section and see like what this artist is all about. So make sure you create a good process video. And yes, 15 seconds is not enough to show all the hard work you are putting in your video, but a little bit goes a long way. Even if you do 5 seconds, a lot can be conveyed in those 5 seconds. So there are like tons of other recommendations that Etsy's article talk about based on your category, and I'm gonna put the link to the article in the video description, so make sure you check it out. But the bottom line is like you want to answer like the 3 questions, like what is this product about? What is the most commonly asked questions about this product? How this product was created, and how good quality is this? And you have to convey all that in 15 seconds. So in the next part, we're going to see how you can film these videos with your smartphone. And no, you don't need a PhD in filmmaking for this, but just keep in mind very simple tips and tricks that you need to create videos like a pro.